Hi everyone, how's everyone doing today? So I have a new product here from Cool Tint 604. I just picked up the matte black pillar pre-cuts. I had a lot of people asking if there was like a matte black version instead of just doing like the clear 3M that I did. And he makes it. So I'm excited about this. These are the pre-cuts, so they should be really easy to install. I went ahead and already removed the clear protectors over them, because I figured if I put this over them, it would probably mess it up anyway when I went to pull them off, so I might have to redo that. But I'm excited to see what it looks like with the matte black pillars like the older Accords had. Might flow better with like the belt molding under the windows is all the matte black. So I'm excited about that. So we'll go ahead and get started on this. Thanks guys. So we'll get started here with this back piece. I'm using this nice rubber squeegee I picked up. I would highly recommend picking one of these up. It's firm, but it's also soft, so it won't scratch the vinyl, and it works good to get under the moldings here. It's perfect. So it's pretty basic, this stuff. Being Avery vinyl, it works so good as far as getting all the bubbles out. This is, I would say, probably one of the easier installs. So some people like to work with it on the paper, but for this, I like to just take the whole piece off the backing, so I can align the edge up to it. It's really easy, and like I said, these are great pre-cuts, and I'll speed it up here so it doesn't take so long. But just, I line the back edge up to get that good, and I know the rest will flow because it's a pre-cut. And then I use my little tool here to tuck it down under the molding. And these moldings on the bottom, you can pull on them and they come out a tad, so don't pull too hard to break them, but you can tuck it pretty easy. And then just use your nail to tuck it around the edge. Very easy, as you can see. In real time, it took me only probably 3-4 minutes to do each piece, and it looks really good. I actually like it like that. Looks good. And then we'll move on to this one here. These are easier, being just very flat. These are really quick to do. Again, I start at the top and I line that piece up, and they're pre-cut, and they're pretty precise. So on the top, you want to go right to the edge. I found on one of these, if you go up too much over the top, then it'll be showing a little bit of the gloss at the bottom. So you just want to go right up to the edge on the top, and it'll cover the whole entire thing. Very easy. Like I said, get yourself a good tool, hard rubber one, and it works really good. Really liking the way the matte looks on this. It actually looks pretty clean. And it'll protect the pillars from, you know, birds, droppings, or scratches. And if you ever want to change it, you can. But I think it looks really good. I like it. I'm still going to do the top chrome piece. I just haven't really got around to doing it, but I am still going to do that. I have that in gloss black. So here's the last piece on this side. As you can tell, these pieces are a lot easier. And the vinyl is so easy to work with. So if you're a beginner, very easy. I just lay it on there, and then you just squeegee all the air to the bottom. Very easy. I would recommend doing this and to practice with it. But there you go, it's all done. So I like it, looks good. Especially if you do the matte black above the windows. I have the gloss black, but you know, I could always switch that out too. But if you could do the matte black, I think it would be a really good look. And you see right here on that one, you can see the shiny part on the bottom on the first one, because I went too high. I can easily take it off, but might do it later. But overall, I think it looks really good. And then here's the overall product on both sides. Matte black. So if you guys are looking for a matte black overlay, this is the way to go. And like I said, these are probably the easiest ones I installed to date. So if you're new at it, don't be afraid of this one. This one's easy to do. And it does make quite a big difference to the car instead of having them shiny. This is kind of how the old Accords were. So there it gives you some option, guys, if you want the clear ones, the 3M, or you got the matte black here, you know, you have options. Very nice. And I didn't use any heat. With this stuff, you don't need any heat, because you're not really going over too many corners. So I would highly recommend these. I'll leave a link below where you can pick these up from Coolton 604. But overall, I think it looks good with the black wheels. And then once I get that top piece blacked out, but like I said, if you do the matte black over the top, I think it would flow better than the gloss, of course, since now it's all matte. But it looks really good. And it's not too expensive. It's about $29.99, I think, plus shipping. So check it out, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. Appreciate it, guys.